Hello, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to discuss about pH scale, the importance of pH in everyday life, and about pH of salts. So, let us start with the definition. Students, I hope you're ready with your pen and book. So, pH scale is a scale for measuring H positive ion concentration in a solution. Okay, so pH scale is used to measure H positive ion concentration, that is hydrogen ion concentration in a solutions. So P in pH stands for potence. Potence, that means power. Okay. So if pH of the solution is equal to 7, that means it's neutral. If it is less than 7, then it is acidic. If it is more than 7, then it is basic. So this you have to remember. Okay, these are the values for acidic, basic and neutral solutions. Okay. One more thing you have to remember, dear students. On diluting an acid, the pH increases. So whenever you are diluting an acid, the pH will increase. On diluting a base, pH decreases. So 2 points, please note down. I hope you have understood. So this was all about pH scale and what happens on diluting an acid and what happens on diluting a base. Yeah, that is the effect of pH on diluting an acid and effect of pH on diluting a base that we have seen. Now let us see about the importance of pH in everyday life. Dear students, pH plays a very important role in our life. So if you want to know what is the pH of the soil in your backyard, plants require specific pH range for their healthy growth. So to find out the pH required for the healthy growth of a plant, you have to collect the soil from the various places and you can check the pH in the manner which is described above. Okay, so you can note down which plants are growing in the region from which you have collected the soil. Okay, so that can be done. Okay, so pH of the soil can be known. Okay, that is first importance of pH. Next is pH in our digestive system. So, dear students, it is very interesting to note that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid and it helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. So what happens during indigestion? The stomach produces too much acid and this causes pain and irritation. So what people do to get rid of this pain? People uses bases which are called as antacids. Okay. So in the stomach, hydrochloric acid is secreted as food enters the stomach and it turns the pH of the stomach between 1 and 3. Okay. So to get rid of this acidity, people take antacids, they neutralize the excess acid. Okay, like magnesium hydroxide is a base which acts as an antacid. It is a mild base and it is often used for the acidity problem. Okay, so that is the second advantage of that is the second importance of pH, the pH in our digestive system. Okay, so I hope you have understood both points. Next, pH change as the cause of tooth decay. Dear students, tooth powder and toothpaste which we are using for cleaning of tooth are basic in nature. Okay, so these are generally basic in nature. Okay, so tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. So if it is lower than 5.5, then the tooth decay starts. So tooth enamel, it is made up of calcium hydroxyapatite, that is calcium hydroxyapatite. It is a crystalline form of calcium toothpaste, and it is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water. Note down the name of the enamel, that is the tooth enamel, is made up of calcium hydroxyapatite. So it is a crystalline form of calcium phosphate. Okay, so but if it is corroded when the pH in the mouth is below 5.5, so bacteria which are present in the mouth after eating, the best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth after eating. So using toothpastes which are generally basic in nature, which are used to neutralize the excess acid, and thus this prevents the tooth decay. Okay, so pH change is the cause of tooth decay. I hope you have understood. So this is what I've explained about the importance of pH in everyday life. I hope you have understood. Yeah. Next is pH of salts. So there are 3 points, dear students, you have to note down. First point is salts of a strong acid and a strong base are neutral with pH value of 7. Salts of a strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH value less than 7. Okay, so which are less than 7. Note down, underline this important points. Third point is salts of strong base and weak acid are basic in nature with pH more than 7. Okay, so these are the 3 important points related to pH of salts that you have to note down in your book. Okay, so this about the salts I'm going to explain you in detail in the next session. So salts having same positive or negative radicals are said to belong to the family. For example, NaCl is there, Na2SO4, they belong to the family of sodium. Okay, yeah. So about salts, I'm going to explain you in detail in the next session. Yeah. I hope you have understood today's session. In the next session, I'm going to explain you about salts, its properties and uses. Okay, so thank you, dear students. I hope you have understood today's session. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Take care and have a good day.